just to note that in all three of these areas of effort, so governance and state building, security, and the humanitarian development continuum, we're guided by central principles around inclusion of women, of youth, of minorities, of people with disabilities. We're also guided by an unrelenting focus on the need to respect international human rights obligations.
We've also been working very closely with the Parliament. We've met with both the speakers of the upper house and the lower house. They have been quite clear about what they see as priorities moving forward. There's some short-term actions that we've agreed to move forward on, including joint assessments of what is being undertaken currently, including orientation for new parliamentarians, including capacity building on legal drafting.
We are unfortunately now bracing ourselves for a fifth failed rainy season, and the time to act is now. Famine is projected in southern Soomaaliya before the end of this year if humanitarian assistance is not urgently scaled up and sustained.
And I really am myself increasingly confident that this leadership team, young Somalis, already experienced Somalis, will continue to make progress in this country for its people. And the United Nations remains committed to supporting those efforts.